Okay. Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the topic. Right now we are going to discuss the about the marketing environment. Objectives of this lesson. Thus, you will be able to understand competitive environment. What is the political and legal environment? What is the economic environment? What is the technological environment? And what is the social and cultural environment? Basically, this lesson examines the forces that defines marketing external environment. Okay, and industry competition, legal constraints, the impact of technology on product design, and social concerns are some of the many important conditions that shapes the business environment. Basically, these environments always give fine and effective shapes to your business environment. Okay, you have to be follow all the political and legal constraints, and you have to be also follow the impact of technology, where is technology and what is the new things has been introduced in the technology, and according to the technological effect you have to be adopted, and product designing and social concern is also very important. So every organization needs to think seriously about the environments in which it operates. You always know that your organization or your concerned firms, you have to rethink that what is the environment where your organization is operates. Okay, in which your organization is operates. Then environmental scanning and environmental management. Marketers must carefully and continually monitor crucial trends and developments in the business environment. And environmental scanning is the process of collecting information about the external marketing environment to identify and interrupt potential trends. If you are talking about the external marketing environment, then you should know and you have to be identify what is the potential trend is going on in the market and business scenario. And right now, what is trend is going on, you have to be scan, you do the research and analysis, and after did the research and analysis you have to be follow, and you can make these strategies for your marketing. Okay, so environmental scanning is a vital component of effective environmental management. Environmental management is the effort to attain organizational objective by predicting, influencing the firm's competitive, political, legal, economic, technological, and social cultural environment. Basically, there is a 4 or 5 types of environmental effects. That is, first is a competitive, then political and legal, then economic, and technological, and social and cultural environments. Then competitive environment, the interactive exchange in the marketplace as organizations via with one another to satisfy customer creates the competitive environments, because the interactive exchange in the marketplace means you are just exchanging something, you are just making a competitive environment for your product. Okay, so there can be competitive environment can be a different type, like monopoly. You can take the example of Indian Railway. Monopoly, few organizations they are enjoying their monopoly positions in the marketplace because there is no competitor. Which rules, regulations, and protocols is making that always done by the Indian Railway. There is no any competitor. So this type of competitive environment is known as the monopoly environment. Then oligopoly. Oligopoly, when competitors are few and each one exercise some influences on market dynamics, it is called the oligopoly. Okay. Then monopolistic competition, like you can take the example of, for the oligopoly you can take the example of Steel, Telecom and Siemens. Okay, so because M Junction you can take the real example, you can take the case study of M Junction. They are the combination of the Tata Steel and SAIL, and they have created an e-commerce portal to sell the steel. Okay, so this is the when competitors are few, जब आपके competitors few होते हैं and each one exercise some influences on the market dynamics, and both are the doing the exercise to influencing on market dynamically. So this is the example of the oligopoly. Monopolistic, non-price and features competition, like you can take the example of FMCG products. There can be a number of soaps. Okay, but you will, if you just want to go the market and you want to buy a soap, then definitely you will go with the features of the particular soap, क्योंकि soap तो सारे ही soap होते हैं, but your choices will go according to the features of that. So यहाँ पर feature competition is always more in competition as compared to the price competition. Then generic competition, that is, you know that every product is in a competition with every other product. It is a universal truth that every product has a competitor. Form competitions. The second type of competition involves that users can substitute for one another. Low cost airline competes with train and luxury bus services. So this is the form competition, means one product can substitute another products with offering some new things. Okay, so this is known as the form competition. When you are in a competitive environment, then a marketer should think about this, that should we compete, what we can compete it, should we compete, क्या हम compete कर सकते हैं in a marketplace, if so in what market should we compete, which segments of market we can compete, and how should we compete, and how we can do it, how we can execute our actual plan, हम इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं. That is all about the point of research. This work has been done by the marketer. Okay, so the next competitive environment, that is a political legal environment. Political legal environment, that is always known as the legal issues and political issues. You can take the example of Tata Nano car, how they have launched in 2009. Tata Motors have launched the Tata Nano car, and the political issue was that they want to plant their manufacturing unit in a Paschim Bengal, but there were some political issue. So after occurring the political issue, they have implemented their manufacturing unit in Gujarat. So that was a political issue. And legal issue, if you are not following the company business law rules and regulations and protocols according, this is better for environment or it is not harmful, are you which type of machinery you are using, and all these are legal and political issues should be satisfied if you have your own business and you are running the business organization. So for your firm there is another environment, you should know that in which political and legal environment your organization is operating. Okay, so some potential issues are that the national foreign policies can dominate the international business decisions of the local firms. Okay, the political ideology of the government can affect the international brands wanting to enter their market. You can take the real life example, that is a MACD, how they have entered, how the international market have been entered in a Indian marketplace. Okay, first they did research on the Indian people and customer, what exactly they want, and after that spicy food, vegetarian, the number of peoples, the much number of heavy number of peoples, they are vegetarian and they want spicy food, so they have launched accordingly to their need and requirement. They have launched the burger in Indian market, but there was some political ideology of the government. Then that is known as the when any international branding want to enter in your marketplace. The competitor who work closely with the government means that can help erect trade barriers of Reliance could lobby against Tata's when Rajiv Gandhi was a prime minister. Okay, you can also take the example that NTPC as Reliance issues has been occur in 2005. Okay, you can take this particular case study, and it is a very interesting case study. After studying this case study, you will learn lots of things. Then Global Trade Organization can enforce trade barriers when their regulations and guidelines are not observed. Okay, and host nation may levy anti-dumping duties on a foreign firm, such as a decision may be dominated by the local business lobbying with the government. Okay, then the direct comparative advertisement may not be allowed in a few countries. Use of a children, as advertising to children are banned in a certain countries. Price regulations. Any pricing strategy of a firm steel industries India is subject to price regulations. A detailed display of the ingredients in a product labels is mandatory in most countries. Okay, so this is all about the political and legal issues. Then come to the economic environment. Economic stages of business cycle prosperity. There is the business cycle has comprises the four things, that is a prosperity, recession, depreciation and recovery. Consumer buying differs in each stage of the business cycle and marketers must adjust their strategy accordingly. Okay, so according to your environment, a marketer have to be set their strategies. So got it? If you are talking about the business cycle, so business cycle comprises four parts, that is a prosperity, recession, depreciation and recovery. So in these four parts, the consumer buying differs in each stages. So a marketer has a responsibility to adjust their strategy accordingly the business cycle. Okay, so during the prosperity, consumers spending maintain a brisk pace. Marketer responds by expanding product line, increasing promotional efforts and expanding distributions in order to raise market shares and rising prices to fit in their profit margins. During the recession, consumers frequently shift their buying patterns to emphasize basic functional products that carry low price tag. Then in the recovery stage of the business cycle, the economy emerges from recession and consumer purchasing power increases while consumer ability to buy increases. Caution often restrain their willingness to buy. So accordingly to their nature, changes of behavior, you have to be understand. आपको एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट की तरह उसके बिहेवियर को you have to be understand, and accordingly to that you have to be set your strategies as a marketer. Then inflation is devalues money by reducing the products it can buy through persistent price increases. Okay, then influences can lead to three possible outcomes, all of them important to a marketers, and these outcomes are very important for the marketers. That consumer can elect to buy now in the belief that price will rise later. Attractive offers by marketers will tempt to them to buy. Marketers should design offers to like discount, extra goods or price vouchers for future purchases and so on. They can decide to alter their purchasing pattern. तीन चीज़ें that can be affected in inflation factors. Okay, first वो ये डिसाइड करता है कंज्यूमर कैन elect to buy now, हमें अभी प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहिए. देन दे हैव टू बी शिप प्रोडक्ट टू प्रोडक्ट. देन After that they can postpone certain purchases, they can postpone. So accordingly to their mind, their changes of behavior, you have to be set your strategies as a marketer. Then come to the technological environment. Technological environment is the revaluation of marketing environment, because as I have explained in our first slide in a evaluation of marketing, where I have introduced you what is the concepts of modern organization. If you're whatever you are reading, whatever you are studying in your business PGDBM curriculum, that is all about the modern organization, because you are studying like online, you are taking the online lecture with the help of e-learning program. That is also uh, the cause of that. You can take, this is the totally effect of technological environment, because the technology is enhancing day by day. So according to technology updation, you have to be adopt the updated technology. Okay, so if you're talking about the modern organization concepts always comprises three parts: that global competitive environment, information and communication technology, and knowledge workers. Then come to the main points, that information and communication technology, that is also known as the technological environment. I just want to discuss modern organization concept with a Apple iPhone case study. Okay, how they Apple computers is a good example of a company that has embraced globalization, has grown very quickly by taking advantage of a integrated business process and information technology. If you have ever purchased a used Apple iPad pad, you probably have noticed a label on the back that reads "Designer by Apple in California, assembled in China." Apple doesn't manufacture an iPad in its own factories. In fact, it hardly has any factory anymore. In 1998, the case study is that how the technological environment, how they have adopted the technological environment and they have entered in a modern organization. Okay, in 1998, Apple Computer was a much different company than it is today. Okay, for one thing, there were not iPod or iPhones or Apple stores. The company sold only Mac laptops and desktop computers and a few other similar products. In fact, Apple produced only 6 main products and sold them almost entirely through a network of resellers. The company manufactured these products in their main factories in Ireland and Singapore, and they control every aspects of productions and distribution, from initial design through the delivery of finished goods to their resellers. Apple resellers were typically small, specialized local computer firms, and they placed order with Apple for computers, and they placed the orders with Apple for computers and then sold them to local companies or individuals. But over the next 10 years, Apple computers evolved into Apple included, a much larger. How and why did transformation occurs? ऐसा transformation क्यों हुआ? Because of the technological environment. क्यों Apple, only there were 6 main products and now they have online stores. They are using the latest ERP. They have opened the online stores. They are their manufacturing unit in Asia. They started outsourcing their product. Why? Because of the technological environment and global competitive environment. This is the best case study, and you can take this case study. After studying this case study, you will be able to define how you can make a position in global competitive environment as a technological environment and political, social and cultural environment. Because social matlab in which society you are living and you are releasing your business organization, and according to the customer needs and requirements you have to be generate and you have to be adopted these strategies as a marketer. Why? Because if you're thinking that Apple iPhone के पास कोई online stores नहीं, तो why they have created the online stores? इसलिए because their social and cultural environment was saying that in that time Yes, you have to be created. You can take also the example of Nokia phone. According to the technology, they didn't update it. उन्होंने अपने आप को अपडेट नहीं किया, सो दे हैव लूज देयर मार्केट. उन्होंने अपनी, दे वर लीडर इन दी मोबाइल फ़ोन्स. वो लीडर मार्केट थे मोबाइल फ़ोन्स में, बट दे लॉस्ट, उन्होंने लॉस कर दिया उस चीज़ को. एंड अल्टीमेटली द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैज़ बीन अडॉप्टेड नोकिया. उन्होंने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने नोकिया का अडॉप्ट कर लिया, एंड नाउ इट बिकम्स अ नोकिया लिनिया. ओके, सो why in 1998 the single that is rapid growth expansion for Apple and resulted in some major changes in the way that company operated. First, Steve Jobs returned to Apple as its CEO after several years outside the company. As he joins, he returned. Apple was not doing very well. In an attempt to turn the company around, Jobs instituted some very big and difficult changes. Jobs understood that Apple needed to focus on its core competency, designing easy to use and engaging hardware and software products. He immediately revamped and product line by modernizing the Mac operating system and providing Apple computers with new internet capabilities. In addition, Jobs started outsources manufacturing operation to specialization high-tech manufacturing companies. Then he opens online stores. Then he established the, he also purchased the latest ERP SAP R/3 in that time. So पहला उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने आउटसोर्स करना शुरू कर दिया मैन्युफैक्चरर यूनिट को. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, फिर एशिया में, बिकॉज यहाँ पे लेबर कास्ट कम थी, उसके बाद यहाँ पर लेबर कास्ट कम है, तो जो उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो उनके पैसे बचे, उन्होंने उस पैसे को इन्वेस्ट किया अपने R&D डिपार्टमेंट, दैट इज़ अ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में, अपने स्पेसिफिकेशन में. एंड दिस इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कि कैसे एप्पल में पहले 6000 एम्प्लॉय थे एंड फिर 21,000 है, एंड हाउ दिस such type of transformation has been occur in a Apple iPhone. Why? Because of the Steve Jobs was the better understanding of the business process. And business process आपका वही होता है कि in which environments your organization is operating. You have to know all the legal, competitive, socio-cultural, technological effects. Then new industries concepts can be green products. There is not any pollution and all these things, and you can create the green products. You can also introduce the new industries. These are the effect of technological environment. Then social cultural environment of making describes the relationship between marketing and society and its culture. Changing social values have led to the consumerism movement, which is a social force within the environment designed to add and protect buyers by exerting legal, moral and economic pressure on business. Rights of consumers are such as the right to choose freely, the right to be informed, the right to be heard, and the right to